respected parents, students, staff members, good morning. I am honored today to welcome my family and all of you to the 5th grade promotion ceremony. You all know my son is graduating today. My son is a 5th grader this year at Maple School. I will present the Outstanding Student Award and then close with reflection remarks of the school year 2013-2014. I will first start by presenting the Outstanding Student Award, or it's called sometimes the Principal's Award. Let me read the guidelines on how we select the specific student for the Outstanding Student Award. This is awarded annually to a 5th grader at the 5th grade promotion ceremony. The criterion for selecting the Outstanding Student Award or Principal's Award is as follows. The student must have attended Maple School for the last 2 years, shown outstanding academic achievement, shown good citizenship and leadership. Not only the student must be one of the most smartest students, the student has to have displayed good citizenship, leadership, good behavior, in and out of class, participated in extracurricular activities in school such as band, City Beautiful, sports teams, academic games, chess club, after-school enrichment, leadership, and many other activities. Selection process. Each 5th grader, can you hear me? Yeah. Great. Each 5th grade teacher nominates one or more students for this award. This award, or the winner, is announced for the first time at the 5th grade promotion ceremony by the principal. Today we're going to announce. Anybody knows who that is? No idea. You can guess in your head, but you don't know. It's going to be a surprise. The teachers nominated 4 students for this award. And let me tell you, we have many outstanding 5th grade students at Maple School, but of course we have to choose one. They are all outstanding students, but like I said, we vote on one student, and the one who receives the most votes will be the one announced today. This year, the recipient of this award is, in my opinion, and this is my experience with that specific student, he has been at Maple School since he was in 2nd grade. Through the years, he consistently demonstrated the use of the core values. The core values such as respect for others, responsibility, courtesy, and all of the core values that you have learned about, towards both staff and his fellow students. And I'm sure towards his parents and neighbors too. He displays the same qualities. He sets a wonderful example as a role model for his peers. He demonstrates leadership skills as well as being a valuable team player in different activities. No one is perfect, we all know that, right? But what I have observed is that he does not accept for his work and demeanor to be less than the perfect, regardless of how much effort he has to put into his work. This is what I have noticed and observed over the years with this specific student. I believe that he is very deserving of the Outstanding Student Award. We are confident that this is only the beginning of his academic and personal success. His name is engraved on a plaque that remains at Maples. It's hanging on the wall across from the office. Every year, we engrave the name of that specific student on that plaque. And the same thing with the faculty award that Mrs. Acruz just handed out. There is a plaque for that specific student too. They get to take it home for one day and show it to friends and family, and of course brag about their success. He also receives a gift card from Maples PTA, thank you PTA, from Barnes & Noble, and the same thing with the faculty recipient award. This year it's a gift card from Barnes & Noble. Here is what his classroom teacher wrote about him. He has been a student at Maples since second grade. During the past 4 years, he has shown outstanding academic achievement. He received exceeding marks. You know what exceeding is. Exceeding is over and beyond, right? And that means number 1.